Imagine waking up, opening your inbox, and seeing 30 unread emails staring back at you. Your stomach drops. You need to reply to your boss, soothe an angry client, and ask for a deadline extension all before your first cup of coffee. But instead of sweating over the keyboard for the next 2 hours, you click one button. Boom. 3 perfect, professional, highly persuasive drafts appear in seconds. Today, you are going to master this superpower for free. No subscription. No tech background. Just pure, effortless writing. We have all been there. You stare at that blinking cursor. You write a sentence. You delete it. You write it again, but now it sounds too aggressive. Or maybe too passive. It is exhausting. That is the secret tax on your energy. But what if the tool to fix this is already sitting right in front of you, completely free? Enter ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Most people use them wrong. They write an email to my boss and get a robotic, lifeless wall of text. We are not doing that. To get gold, you have to feed the AI the right ingredients. It is a simple 3-step formula: role, context, and goal. Let us try it. Imagine you need to ask your boss for a raise, but you are terrified of sounding greedy. Instead of a generic prompt, you tell the AI, "You are a polite, ambitious employee. I need to email my manager, Sarah, to ask for a brief meeting to discuss my compensation based on my recent project successes." Keep it under 4 sentences and make it sound confident but respectful. Watch what happens. The AI strips away the fluff. It delivers a punchy, polite request that gets you in the room without the awkwardness. Just copy, paste, and send. But what happens when things get messy? What if a client is angry because a shipment is late? This is where people panic. The instinct is to write a long, defensive explanation. Don't do it. Instead, we use the tone shift technique. You paste your angry, chaotic thoughts directly into the AI. Literally type, "I am mad that they are blaming us. Tell them nicely it was the shipping company's fault, but we are fixing it anyway." The AI acts as your professional filter. It translates your frustration into diplomatic gold. It saves the relationship, and more importantly, it saves your sanity. Now, here is the secret trick most people miss. Let us call it the email mimic. Do you have a coworker who always sounds incredibly professional? Or maybe you want your emails to sound exactly like you, just a polished version? Find an email you love. Copy it. Paste it into the AI and say, "Analyze the tone and writing style of this email. Save this style as Style X." Then, whenever you need to write something new, just say, "Write a reply about the budget using Style X." Instant personalization. Nobody will ever suspect an AI wrote it. It is your personal ghostwriter, trained on your exact voice. You might be thinking, do I really have to keep copying and pasting back and forth? Absolutely not. That is the old way. Let us make it seamless. There are free browser extensions like Merlin or ChatGPT Writer that put the AI directly inside your Gmail or Outlook. You just click a little icon right next to the send button, type a 5-word summary of what you want to say, and watch the email write itself inside your Composer window. It is like having a Harvard-educated assistant sitting on your shoulder, drafting replies in real time. No more blank screens. No more second-guessing your tone. You now have the keys to a stress-free inbox. Go try the email mimic trick today and see how much time you save. If you want to keep unlocking these simple, life-changing AI secrets before everyone else does, hit that subscribe button. Let us master the future together. See you in the next one.